Is your manufacturing future ready? Discover the digital transformation pathway in this video. So watch till the end and subscribe to us now for more. The manufacturing sector is at a pivotal juncture in our era, which is characterized by fast developments in technological capabilities. Manufacturers really need to adopt digital transformation if they want to continue to be competitive and relevant. To future-proof a manufacturing operation, it is necessary to implement cutting-edge technology and creative tactics in order to improve productivity, streamline business operations, and accommodate shifting customer requirements. This video presents a thorough digital transformation roadmap for manufacturers, providing insights into important phases and things to think about along the way to a more advanced state of operations. The changing landscape over the past few years, the manufacturing industry has been witness to significant shifts that have been driven by the Fourth Industrial Revolution. This revolution places an emphasis on the merging of the physical and digital spheres, which results in the creation of smart manufacturing, intelligent automation, and decision-making that is driven by data. The advantage of competition. In the manufacturing industry, digital transformation can provide a competitive advantage by simplifying and streamlining operations, lowering costs, and raising product quality. It makes mass customization, agile production, and just-in-time manufacturing possible, which allows businesses to more effectively meet the demands of their customers. The roadmap for digital disruption and transformation. Set precise goals for yourself. In order to be successful in their attempts to digitally change, manufacturers need to develop targets that are both specific and measurable. One or more of these goals could be to increase the production efficiency, decrease the amount of downtime, improve the product quality, or broaden market reach. Conduct an analysis of your present capabilities. Carry out a detailed analysis of the existing technological infrastructure, the skill sets of the staff, and the operating procedures. Determine the starting point for the digital transformation by identifying the organization's strengths and limitations. Formulate a plan for your digital presence. Develop a powerful digital strategy that is in line with the objectives of the firm. This strategy should include the adoption of new technology, the re-engineering of existing processes, the upskilling of existing employees, and a specific schedule for its implementation. Utilization of available technology. Determine which technologies are appropriate and invest in them. Some examples of such technologies include the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, big data analytics, and cloud computing. Real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and data-driven insights are all capabilities that may be enabled by the implementation of these technologies. Management of the data. Establishing standards and methods for data governance is necessary in order to guarantee the effectiveness of data collection, storage, and analysis. Utilizing data analytics allows for production to be optimized, improvements to quality control to be made, and enhancements to decision-making. The transformation of the workforce. Invest in the growth of the workforce and training programs to provide employees with the necessary digital skills. Establishing a workforce that is fit for the digital age requires establishing a culture that encourages innovation and collaboration. Safety and security online. Make protecting critical data and industrial processes a top priority for your cybersecurity efforts. Put in place effective cybersecurity procedures to protect against the risks posed by cyber attacks and data breaches. Ongoing and continual improvement. The transition to a digital environment is a continuing process. Maintain a consistent evaluation schedule, solicit and act on feedback, and adjust your plans in response to the ever-shifting dynamics of the market and advances in technology. Concerns and things to take into account. Costs and the return on investment. The move to digital might be expensive. It is imperative for manufacturers to conduct thorough cost analyses and check that their investments are in line with their expected returns on investment (ROI). Management of the change process. Employees that are resistant to change can be a barrier to successful digital transformation. The implementation of successful change management tactics, such as communication and training, is absolutely necessary for progress. Protection of personal information and compliance. Regulations governing data privacy and compliance criteria unique to the manufacturing industry must be followed by manufacturers. It is absolutely necessary to put in place stringent data privacy procedures in order to avoid legal and reputational consequences. The process of choosing and implementing new technologies. It is essential to choose the appropriate combination of different technologies. It is important for manufacturers to investigate technologies that are compatible with their unique processes and objectives. Take, for instance, Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things enables the placement of sensors on machines and products, which can then collect data in real time. This data can provide insights on the quality of products and the health of equipment. The artificial intelligence. In specific operations, AI algorithms can be put to use for predictive maintenance, quality control, demand forecasting, and even autonomous decision-making. Cloud computing. Cloud solutions enable remote monitoring and collaboration by providing scalability, data storage, and the ability to access data and applications from any location. The analysis of big data. The manufacturing activities can generate huge amounts of data, the analysis of which can reveal hidden patterns and trends, leading to data-driven insights that can be used to optimize the manufacturing process. Robotics and computerized control systems. In manufacturing settings, the application of robotics and automation can help to standardize and streamline repetitive activities, improve precision, and make the workplace safer. Decision-making that is informed by data. The power of data must be harnessed by manufacturers in order for them to make educated judgments. This encompasses everything. The gathering of data, collecting information from a wide variety of sources, including sensors, industrial lines, and partners in the supply chain. Data analysis. To gain insights that can be put into action from the data that was collected, advanced analytics and machine learning were utilized. Real-time monitoring and analysis. Putting in place mechanisms that will enable visibility into the production processes and the performance of the equipment in real time. The practice of predictive maintenance. Identifying impending breakdowns in machinery in order to cut down on unscheduled downtime and associated costs. Control of the quality. Utilizing data analytics in order to uncover flaws and deviations in real time from established quality standards. Development of the workforce. A workforce that is both skilled and flexible is necessary for digital transformation. The manufacturers ought to put money into programs for training. Employees should be provided with opportunities for training and upskilling so that they can learn about new technologies and tools. Teams that work across functions. Facilitating the adoption of new technology and finding solutions to problems by encouraging team collaboration between information technology, operations, and engineering. Administration of change. Taking into consideration the people involved in the process of change, including overcoming resistance and cultivating an innovative culture. Recruiting talented individuals who have a strong interest in technological advancement and can effectively use digital tools. Considerations regarding environmental impacts and sustainability. It is important for manufacturers to incorporate sustainability into their roadmaps for digital transformation. This necessitates use of energy effectively. By using digital technologies to monitor and improve energy consumption, a company can reduce its overall carbon impact. Management of the resources, minimizing the amount of waste produced by managing resources such as water and raw materials in an effective and efficient manner. Economy based on circulation. Adopting practices such as recycling and reusing materials and products is one way to lessen the influence humans have on the environment. Green supply chain, including environmentally responsible business practices across the supply chain, such as environmentally responsible sourcing and transportation. Ecosystem collaboration and partnering arrangements. Collaboration with technology providers, research institutions, and other manufacturers in the same industry can be beneficial to manufacturers. This may eventually result in gaining access to specialist knowledge. The process of digital technology adoption can be sped up and best practices can be ensured if a partnership with digital technology professionals is formed. Ecosystems dedicated to innovation. Participating in innovation ecosystems as well as industry groups might increase one's exposure to developing tendencies and opportunities. Creation in tandem. Working together with the client and the provider to jointly develop solutions that are tailored to specific requirements and criteria. In summing up, the route toward digital transformation in manufacturing is one that involves many different aspects and calls for careful planning, investment, and adaptation. It is not just about the technology, rather, it is an all-encompassing approach that takes into account people, processes, and relationships. Manufacturers may position themselves for success in the quickly changing industrial landscape by embracing this roadmap and remaining nimble in reaction to changing circumstances. This will allow manufacturers to position themselves for success in the rapidly changing industrial landscape. This finishes our today's video. Click that subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates and videos.